Benefits of marble tiles for your home. Dear friends, if you're looking at current flooring options for your new home or home renovation, then there is a good chance that you've come across marble tiles. After all, marble has been the flooring material of choice since ancient times. However, with the rise of porcelain, ceramic and even faux marble tiles have lost some of their popularity. But that doesn't mean to say that you shouldn't consider them for your flooring. In fact, marble flooring offers several benefits, and today we'll take a look at some of them. Marble looks gorgeous. Nothing compares to the look of natural marble tiles. Marble comes in a variety of colors, designs, and finishes options and offers a very regal look. While faux marble flooring replicates the look of natural marble to some extent, it cannot compare or compete with the original. Take a look at our mint gray and cream stone marble tiles as an example. Each of these tiles features a sophisticated design that simply cannot be matched by any faux marble flooring options. Marble is a highly durable material. For a natural material, marble is highly durable. It is also known for its purity, and it has built up a reputation for durability over hundreds of years. While synthetic flooring options also offer excellent durability, many people choose marble because it is completely natural. In fact, the trend towards using natural marble tiles over synthetic options has never been stronger. Marble is hard-wearing and resistant to shattering. While synthetic tiles may be durable, some types of tiles are prone to shattering if heavy objects are dropped on them. On the other hand, marble tiles offer a hard-wearing surface that is highly resistant to shattering. By choosing marble for your flooring, you won't have to worry about cracked tiles. Marble is an excellent insulator. Marble is known to be an excellent insulator. It stays relatively cool even under direct sunlight during summers and retains warmth during winters. Therefore, marble tiles will allow you to save on your heating and cooling costs to some extent. You can use marble tiles in any room. Marble offers a very versatile look, thanks to which you can use it in any room. Marble tiles are an excellent choice for shower floors and walls, vanity tops, and recesses in bathrooms. They work great in kitchen splashbacks and bench tops. They can even be used as tabletops both indoors and outdoors. And, of course, they can be used for flooring in any area. Marble reflects light. One of the reasons why marble offers a timeless charm is because of its light-reflecting properties. Due to this, marble offers a feeling of spaciousness and also makes rooms appear brighter. This is one big reason why many people choose light-colored marble tiles for their homes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.